What if I told you that literally anyone can do what they love from anywhere in the world while being their own boss and eventually making tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars every month? I mean, so many people are already quitting the jobs daily to become a YouTuber.
I quit my dream job at NASA to make YouTube videos. So it's like...
And I believe that so many more should do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you why everybody should become a YouTuber. And if you too wanna become one in the end, then I'm going to show you the simplest way to get started. But before we do all that, I think I need to prove to you that everybody can become a YouTuber. Oh, excuse me. First of all, anyone can start doing it, because all you need is just some kind of device that has a camera and access to the internet. A great example of this would be Mr. Beast.
In some of my videos, I've literally given away over $1 million.
Back in the day, he was just some random guy who made videos in his bedroom with his shitty webcam.
I was getting no views, had no money. My first couple hundred videos, I didn't have a microphone.
So if he could do it without any equipment, literally anyone can do it. Secondly, everyone has at least one subject or interest of which they can make videos about. And the probability that someone else in this whole world shares the same interest as them is really big. Massive even! For example, some people are filming how they're making Subway sandwiches, some grandmas are showing how they are gardening, chefs are making cooking videos. There are even videos where people just watch films and react to them. All I'm trying to say is that everyone has some kind of interest which they can talk about or make videos about. And the cherry on top is that over 2 million people have gained over 10,000 subscribers. Here's an example of how much someone like that will make on YouTube. If 2 million people have done it, it seems quite doable to me. That brings us to the first paragraph of why everyone should become a YouTuber. Well, YouTubers do make shit ton of money. To start off, let's look at this clip of Eric.
I think my best month was probably like 480K off of AdSense.
Wow. Just 2 years ago, you made your first 7 cents.
Yeah.
$480,000 a month. 1 month! And he's just a YouTuber. Another crazy example like that is Logan Paul.
Some kid from Ohio who maybe wanted to be an engineer because he was told when he was young to go to college. And here I am. I just made $3 million in 3 days.
And he's just a YouTuber. Of course it would be very hard to achieve what Logan or Eric did. I just brought it up to visualize that you really can make a lot of money on YouTube. Potential is just huge. But now let's focus on some more realistic numbers. For example, Nisha. She made, on her first month being monetized,
$4,048.
And Catherine made
$44,837.16 in just 1 year on YouTube.
And that number is only likely to grow. Niklas Crystal is a great example of how rapidly revenue can grow on YouTube.
While I just earned $2,563 in January, my highest paying month in August was $43,202 US, which is insane.
Alright, YouTubers earn a lot of money, but there are so many other careers that also pay very well. So still, why YouTube? You can make decisions which align with your values and your goals, and you don't have to answer to anyone else. No one is going to tell you to be in the office by 9 AM or else you will be in trouble. You can make videos about literally anything. You can just choose to make videos out of things you like, you enjoy. For example, I'm really obsessed about YouTube and I'm making a video about YouTube. Like, I'm just talking about my interest and hopefully I'm getting paid for it. Being a YouTuber is just, to me, it's more like a hobby.
The more I can keep it is just like, I'm just a dude who's making these videos. It's a hobby, it's no big deal.
But eventually you can just hire other people to do the things you don't like doing. For example, if you don't like editing, you can just hire someone to do it for you and you can focus on the things you enjoy doing. You get good at talking, communicating, forming your ideas, thinking outside of the box, brainstorming. There are just so many things that are crucial to the everyday life. So if you fail to be a YouTuber, you will have a really great base to do something else. Secondly, it's such a great experience. If I were to decide that, okay, YouTube is not for me anymore, I would be so happy that I did it. Now if you think becoming a YouTuber is something you would like to try, then what a better way to start than to check out your competitors. And I happen to be on the early phase of growing my YouTube channel, so check me out. Literally, analyze my videos, see what I'm doing. Alrighty, bye!